Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will show you that how to make TikTok videos for beginners. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, simply open your TikTok application. So this is the TikTok application. So if you are a all user, make sure that you have logged in the account of TikTok. So here at the middle there is a plus option. You will simply tap on this plus option. So this camera has been opened. So from the top there is add sound option. You will simply tap on add sound. So here you can select any sound which you want to search here. You can also search, or this is the TikTok main musics which you want to add. So we will tap on one of the music. So here at this option we will take it. So the sound has been added. So there at the screen you are seeing that there is a red button. You will simply press and hold that red button. So our video have been created. You can now you will tap on tick option. So here you can put hashtags which you want to put for viral the video. So you will tap on post and the video will be posted. So this is the full process of making the video and adding the sound of TikTok video. So this is the only process of uploading a video on TikTok. From this process you can make TikTok videos as you want to make it. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.